You're watching the Weiss channel. Today I'm talking to you about inverse. Inverse. That sounds hard, doesn't it? It's not. So you see a problem like this. F of x equals 3x minus 18. F of x is the same as saying y. Y equals 3x minus 18. All you're going to do is switch the x and the y. So instead of y equals 3x minus 18, x equals 3y minus 18. And now we're going to solve for y. How do we do that? How to get rid of minus 18? You plus 18. You can't combine x with 18, so you write x plus 18 equals 3y. Divide by 3. Whatever you do to one term, you do to every term. Whatever you do to one term, you do to every term. So you have 1x plus 18 equals 3y. Divide 1x by 3, that's 1/3 x. 18 divided by 3 is 6. And there's your answer, 1/3 x plus 6. And by the way, because the original problem is f of x, the answer on Delta Math, and it's already written there for you, so you won't even have to type it in. We'll say f of -1 of x. That means the inverse of x. But all you have to type in would be 1/3 x plus 6. And that's it. F of x equals -x plus 13. Y equals -x plus 13. Switch the x and the y. X equals -y plus 13. Subtract 13 from both sides. You get x minus 13 equals -1y. Divide -1. And you get -x plus 13. F of x equals -4x minus 16. And it adds, y equals -4x plus 16. Add 16 to both sides. You get x plus 16, or 1x plus 16 equals -4y. Divide -4. You get -1/4 x minus 4. F of x equals 1/2 x plus 11. Y equals 1/2 x plus 11. Minus 11 from both sides. You get x minus 11 equals half y. Does it make sense to multiply it by 2? Because what happens to these 2's? The 2's will cancel, right? And you're just left with y. And then over here, you're going to multiply by 2, so you distribute the 2. You get 2x minus 22. Done. F of x equals 3/5 x minus 12. Y equals 3/5 x minus 12. X equals 3/5 y minus 12. Add 12 to both sides. You get x plus 12 equals 3/5 y. Does it make sense to multiply by 5/3? Because the 5's will cancel and the 3's will cancel. So whatever you do to one term, you do to every term. 5/3 times x and 5/3 times 12. I would like you to go to Desmos.com. Go to Desmos.com, and I want you to click on Scientific Calculator. Scientific Calculator. And what I want you to do is, I want you to click on this button. Click on A over B. Okay? There's a button in there, A over B, and what you need to do is you need to then type 5 on top and 3 on the bottom. And then you have to press over here to get the cursor to the right, and then you hit the times key. When you hit the times key, it's going to give you a dot. And then in this particular problem, I'm going to type 12. 5/3 times 12. Okay? And then it will show you your answer. What's happening on Desmos.com, the 3 cancels with the 12. And 3 goes into 12 4 times. So 5 times 4 is 20. You'll get 5/3 x plus 20. Okay. F of x equals 3/2x minus 3. Y equals 3/2x minus 3. So flip the x and the y. X equals 3/2y minus 3. Add 3 to both sides. You get x plus 3 equals 3/2y. Hopefully it makes sense. You're going to multiply by 2/3. So you get the 2's and the 3's to cancel. So you're going to multiply this by 2/3 and this by 2/3. Again, you can use the A over B key and do 2/3 times 3. When you do 2/3 times x, you get 2/3 x. 2/3 times 3, you will find it gives you 2. And there's your answer. You've been watching the Weiss channel.